hello there. For those of you that don't know, your Palmer Public Library has been making some grab-and-go craft kits for anybody that wants them. This month being March, we've decided to make a rainbow with a pot of gold, since March is the month we celebrate St. Patrick's Day. You can see in your kit you're going to have a paper plate, a piece of yellow paper, a template for a shamrock, and some cotton balls. I've already got most of my coloring done. You can see that I took and I colored about the bottom third or so black, and that's going to be the pot of gold. And then on the outside edge of the rest of it, I am coloring a rainbow. Now, I've used markers just so the colors show up really good on this video. You can use crayons or pencils, or paint would be really good too if you have some paint. And then you can make your rainbow all around the outer edge here. See? So you've got your pot of gold and a rainbow. Then I already colored and I cut out the shamrock there. You can decorate that any way you like. And then we're going to take the yellow paper and we're just going to cut some kind of half circles to make it look like there's gold inside our pot. Now to do that, then I'm going to take it, I'm going to glue that right along that edge to make it look it's sticking out of our pot of gold. I'm going to use this kind of glue for that. I'm just going to stick it right there. Kind of looks like a full pot, doesn't it? Now I'm also going to take, these are going to be our clouds. We're going to put them at the end of the rainbow, just as if the rainbow was ending in a bunch of clouds. 2 on each side. Oops, dropped it there, didn't I? Just like that. Now I'm going to decorate with my shamrock. You can do this however you like. Be as creative as you want. The more creative, the better. And I'm going to add one more thing. It's not on our example here, but I saw it somewhere else and I thought it was really cool. So I'm going to add something I'm grateful for in the middle. Now, St. Patrick's Day, we talk a lot about luck. So I'm going to say I'm lucky because, and then you can write whatever you think you're most grateful about. I am going to write, because this is for the library, I'm lucky because I have books to read. I love to read. So that is what my pot of gold is going to look like. And again, you make yours however you like. The more creative, the more fun. Have a blast, and these are totally free, so come and get one.